Nih, okay. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone. I am Livia Indra from PBLAN 407B with theme development of 3D booth assets and animate visuals for a virtual exhibition website. Our members are Aida, Zakia, Yukiana, Anissa, Nur, Natalia, Zevania. Our man pro, Mr. Amirul Muminin, SDS, MDS, and our client, Miss Widya Putri Ramadhani, STR.com. Now we want to sharing about our progress and first started by Shari.
First, the project background. Virtual exhibition can be visited anywhere, anytime and anywhere. However, the old virtual booth still had some problems, problems such as heavy files, less interesting design, and unclear information. So this project aims to make the booth lighter, better, and easier to understand. Next, the project objective. This project improved the booth by making the 3D design simpler and lighter using Blender. It also uses a first-person view, better lighting, and easy navigation for user. After that, our project idea. We aim to create an interactive virtual booth that is easy and fun to use. It shows information about egg study programs and works well on different devices. Next. This is our mood board and visual reference. For the mascot design, we used robot reference to create a modern and friendly character. We also use reference from booth design, exhibition space, and modern space for the booth area. This reference help us create an visual style of our virtual booth. Next.
So, we slightly redesigned the Kale robot into a flying dog companion for the virtual exhibition. The goal is to make Kale more unique and easy to remember. The shape is round and it doesn't have legs because it's moving by floating. The ears work like fish fins to help control its direction while flying. We also keep two small hands so it can make gestures and stay balanced while moving. Since this robot also acts as mascot, we give it clear identity by adding a poly bottom jacket with the Informatic logo. Next.
Livi mundur dulu slide-nya. Oke. On this slide, work building or environment, we show the work building or environment design of our virtual exhibition. The images on the left show our current layout. We are planning to improve the layout so it becomes simpler, more spacious, and easier to explore. We look at how real exhibition spaces arrange their pathways, display areas, and room divisions, then adapted those ideas into our virtual environment. Our goal is to make navigation clearer so visitors can focus more on the exhibition content and enjoy a better overall experience.
So I will explain about the property assets we use in the virtual booth. These assets help represent the exhibition area of each study program in informatic engineering. The challenge is that some assets originally had a high number of vertices. Because of that, they were too difficult to put into the website later. So several assets had to be reduced. The sofa is the one of the example. It was simplified from the more complex model into a lighter version. Other assets shown below, such as table and a chair, were also optimized by the same way. Next.
Okay, proof of concept with boot. This is our old boot and our boot after modification. We modification our booth with combining the study program logo with the mascot, but if there is no mascot, it will be combined with elements related to the study programs. Uh, After this exam, we will continue on working other booth because we're only working on one booth for now.
So here is the 3D model of Kale made in Blender. The process started from blocking the basic shapes, then we move into modeling the details, and finally cleaning up the mesh through the topology. There is also a few modifications from the original concept. First, our project manager suggests adding thumb from for the Kale hands so the character can do more expressive gesture. And the second, the Wi-Fi logo on top of Kale's head now can glow and adding into making the character more lively and more technology. Next. And for the rigging test, the rigging is basically giving the character a skeleton so it can move and be animated. Here you can see the bones we place inside of Kale from the hands, the body, the heads, the ears, and even the Wi-Fi logo and the tail. So it can move and ready to be animated later. Next.
For the proof of concept beauty render, uh, we showed the proof of concept of our virtual exhibition through several beauty renders. These renders give an early visual representation of how the exhibition space will look like or feel.
Okay, that's all from us. Sorry if there are any mistakes, and thank you.
Itu video tes rignya itu mau diputar atau nggak usah sih sebenarnya?
Gak usah lah.
Nggak usah ya.
Ini kita tinggal 5 menit lagi. Aku anuin apa sih namanya? Buat link baru ya.
Ya.
Oke.
Oke, aku end dulu. Aku buat anu baru.